So the whole market is kind of, it seems that they have found the bottom, and it seems that the SPY doesn't want to go below 380, Qs don't want to go below 288, and now we're getting a rally right now. I don't know if it's a relief rally or just continuing going up or not, but again, we are in a financial tightening, and good morning, everybody. This is Andrew in the morning from Peak Capital Trading office. I'm here with Brian. We had a pretty good day. I had a really amazing day thanks to Tesla. 1 minute opening range breakup. Just do a quick recap right now. So Tesla was, so the whole market is kind of, it seems that they have found the bottom. And it seems that the SPY doesn't want to go below 380, Qs don't want to go below 288, and now we're getting a rally right now. I don't know if it's a relief rally or just continuing going up or not, but again, we are in a financial tightening, and it's a little bit uncertain for investors. So what Tesla did, Tesla opened really strong at the open, really strong at the open, just punched through the VWAP. Market was really flat, was gapping down a little bit. What I saw really heavy volume, really nice order flow. That's what we discussed in the webinar yesterday. And I took a 1 minute opening range breakup, just jumping a little bit too early. 1 minute opening range breakup for a red to green. It turned out to be really nice from 626 all the way up to 640. That was really nice. And then on the pullback, I added more at 635, popped up, but I didn't sell, and then dropped below the VWAP, and I got stopped out. And I tried to catch a couple of other times, twice on it, but really didn't work out. And again, I don't want to chase it. When you get into later in the morning, it's just that the momentum is coming down, and market wasn't really haven't made a decision that if they want to go up or not. So I took another one at 640 for a couple of $100 a scalp. But again, these scalps later in the day for the break of high of the day are a little bit tricky because the momentum is kind of done. Now we're dealing with the very strong market. IWM up 2%, Qs up 1.2%. So we're dealing with a strong market right now. It looks like it's bouncing. As I mentioned. Sorry, let's just go to the daily chart. As I mentioned, the market, it seems that they have found the bottom here, and it's really interesting to see if you can continue to move higher. Maybe Qs above 300, SPY potentially goes above 400, 430 is a long shot, but we'll see how it goes. So that was pretty good for my day, and so that's my position. Yeah, Tesla was the biggest winner. TQQ was something, and I also had the opening range breakup on NVDA as well. Turned out to be a really good day, and I got rid of the TNA position, and now I'm back on SPY and SPXL. That TNA position, I accepted the loss, I got out of it, and now I'm into SPY and SPXL. See, I get the move up on the market through SPY or SPXL. All right, so that's my thing. Brian, how did you trade?
I had a good day. I was looking at a couple of different stocks going into the open. Most of them were ones that were in play, like Wendy's. Some talk about someone doing a takeover or something. JWM, which reported earnings last night, and DKS, which also reported earnings. And we had a lot of fun with the name this morning, but DKS was my best trade. So, it actually was a trade that I call a Phoenix trade, and somebody in the room reminded me of it because I haven't seen one for quite a while. But basically, it's a stock that's gapping down. So DIX was gapping down on its earnings report, but it was showing some strength going into the open, and it was trading above the VWAP, which is critical for for this Phoenix trade. So I kind of figured it was going to be strong. Stocks like that usually are. So it pulled back a little bit at the open, predictably, got long and just rode it up to over 66. I did miss a good entry on a pullback, but I did trade it through when it went through 68. But it's been a monster today. So that was probably my best trade of the day.
Yeah, from 63 all the way to 76. I know someone was making a joke about getting to 69, and it did get through 69. It's going to go to 78.
Yeah, easily, yes. Yeah, it was amazing. I never would have seen a maybe get back to previous day close. I kind of thought maybe that was a possibility, but yeah, it's just blowing through there. So anyway, looking a little toppy right now. I'm not in it, but yeah, that was the trade trade of the day.
Yeah, the QQQ strong is now pulling back. IWM turned out to be really strong, and they really held this bottom. They had a really, we had a big sell-off in the last couple of days on the last couple of weeks on all of them. Maybe the market has found the bottom. Obviously, there's no reason to market to go back to all-time high, but definitely maybe we are stuck into a range in trading until inflation comes under control. That's the only thing that is in the mind of people, controlling the inflation. And yeah, so the growth is under question right now. Tonight, we have a new psychologist joining Variable Traders, guys, Dr. Randy Howell, and he's going to start a series of presentation for us. So starting this week, make sure that it's all for elite members, guys. If you're there, just feel free to jump in and support him. And yeah, so we also launched tradingterminal.com. There is the Benzinga squawk in there, and all the news and breaking news are all in there. There might be some changes needed, like for example, I know the search bar needs to be changed a little bit. Also the volume for the Benzinga squawk, but be patient with us. Thanks for all of your support. And if you have any feedback, just email us. We have a list of Excel spreadsheet. We'll give it to the developers to implement that. So again, thank you so much. All change is always hard, guys. I totally understand that you're used to that, and then you want to click on that, and a little bit of extra, but it's good change for good. It's better than change for bad. And Crede, she's also coming back. I think she's back. I mean, she was really busy with the baby and with the work, and she took some time off, and now she's coming back. I think once a month again. She's having her mental edge presentation. Yeah, so thank you so much. And yeah, if you have any comments, guys, feel free to put it into our comments. And if you have any email suggestions, feedback, hate, anger, anything, send it to andrew@variabletraders.com, guys. Yeah, Brian, anything from you?
No, that's it. Hope everyone had a good morning. And yeah, things didn't look that great, but as always, the market gave us something to work with. So yeah, good day.
Awesome. Thank you so much, guys.